chocolate milk. Need I say more? Something so delicious couldn't possibly be good for you, right? But did you know? Chocolate milk has been used as medicine for centuries. Why am I only hearing about this now? Why would anyone use chocolate milk as medicine? And what does it have to do with Cortez the Killer, Jamaica, an Irish botanist, and top athletes? Mix yourself a drink and join us as we pore over the history books. Can you imagine a world where there is no chocolate? From the dawn of time all the way until the end of the Middle Ages, the people of Europe had no idea chocolate was even a thing.
Oh.
As for chocolate milk, would you believe it was invented to make chocolate less gross? It turns out, pure cocoa from the cocoa bean does not taste very good. The ancient Mayans would blend pure cocoa with various spices and honey to combat the bitter, earthy taste. The result was a delicious, frothy drink the Mayans regarded as fit for the gods. And the Mayans weren't the only ancient people who cherished chocolate. When Cortez conquered the Aztecs, he found that they also cultivated and worshipped the cocoa bean. But because of their awful taste, he couldn't figure out why. Until Cortez himself tried the local cocoa drink loaded with spices and sugar.
Oh.
This would technically set the creation of chocolate milk around 1516. Except it was missing one crucial ingredient: milk. To get to something closer to the chocolate milk we know and worship today, we have to go back 20 years before Cortez to the islands of Jamaica. According to one historian, Jamaicans had been brewing milk with chocolate shavings and cinnamon since at least 1494. However, the truth is a little milky. Sir Hans Sloane, an Irish botanist, traveled to Jamaica in the 1700s. According to different historians and Sloane himself, the local drink he encountered was just cocoa brewed in water, and it was gross. So it was he who swapped out water for milk and added sugar. The result was the first chocolate milk. Sloane brought this concoction to England, where he sold it as a health food. Because at the very least, it didn't give you an upset stomach, so why not? So people have been drinking chocolate milk for centuries because it tastes good. Got it.
Ooh.
But is it medicine? As it turns out, chocolate milk as a health food isn't that far-fetched.
Give me a milk. Chocolate.
Chocolate milk is low in fat and high in protein. It contains multiple vitamins, including vitamin A, which is good for your immune system and vision. And top athletes rely on chocolate milk after an intense workout because it's rich in electrolytes, which help reduce the stress on muscles and bones. However, chocolate milk can be ridiculously high in sugar, especially since it's almost impossible to stop at just one sip. Want another story featuring the Aztecs, a botanist, and a historical figure? I thought so. Check out the unvanilla story of vanilla. Up next on Origins of Food.